Okay, when Kirk Bresniker takes the virtual stage in just a bit, we're going to hear about the radical rethink, unconventional ways to unlock the power of data. Hewlett Packard Pathfinder is in lockstep, tapping into disruptive innovation and some of the smartest minds in startups to bring innovative solutions to HPE customers. And what a busy year it's been. Well, here to talk about HPE's latest startup acquisitions is Paul Glazer, Vice President and Global Head of Hewlett Packard Pathfinder. Welcome, Paul.
Thank you, Daisy. I'm glad to be here.
Okay, Paul, well, a simple but obvious question to start off with. What does Hewlett Packard Pathfinder actually do?
Well, at its core, Hewlett Packard Pathfinder is a venture capital program with inside HPE. We focus on delivering value across three core disciplines, what I refer to as insights, investments, and solutions. So through our investment activities, right, we deliver insights into HPE's business and help shape our strategy. And then, we deploy capital. And with our port companies, we then try to create solutions combining their technologies along with HPE technologies to help solve our customer problems. And so through this virtuous cycle of insights, investments, and solutions, right, we add value to HPE, our customers, and our portfolio companies, ultimately driving benefits for all three.
Okay, so I get that. And I know that in the last 6 months, HPE's been investing in AI. So, Paul, tell me about the technology that you've acquired.
Yeah, so HPE's customers are using data to make business decisions, right? And that's increasing in frequency. And so, one of our primary focus areas from an investment standpoint is what we call the data to AI journey. And so we're focused on that. I think, an interesting stat, approximately 53% of all AI projects actually make it to production. So, that's not a lot of success. And so we're trying to help our customer ensure success of their data projects. And so we've made a number of investments along that pipeline. One of the more recent ones is a company called Data Robot, which helps automate the machine learning project pipeline. So that's the tail end of that. It allows our customers to manage, govern, deploy these models to help drive a faster decision, extra time to market, right, for these applications. We've also invested in a company called Flywheel, right? Flywheel is focused on the life science, helping the pipeline within that data processing and machine learning within the life cycle and clinical environment, right, to achieve faster value and faster decisions. Now, we've also, those are at the application layer. We also invested in some companies at the hardware layer. The first is a company called Lightmatter, which is developing a photonics processor, which allows for much faster decision making in terms of processing capability. But more importantly, it's at approximately half the power of competing projects, right? And that really helps customers think about their sustainability initiatives and how they can help meet those. And then Mythic is another processor for AI, but it's oriented toward the edge, right? So you can deploy these in lower power, more remote environments, right, that don't have the quite same connectivity and horsepower from a compute perspective within a data center. And so, that's our suite of investments that we've made thus far, and we're looking forward to making more.
Some really interesting investments there, Paul. And I think you'll be surprised to know that what I want to know now is where Pathfinder will invest next.
Yes. Well, true to our name, Pathfinder, we're really looking for disruptive companies and technologies that are over the edge from a horizon perspective. And so, core to our business, we'll continue to look at areas in the infrastructure, right, and the silicon processor area. And so quantum computing is one of those technologies that has a longer time to becoming deployable from our perspective. We made one investment in a company called IonQ about 18 months ago, and I think that's our first foray into quantum. I suspect we'll continue to follow and make additional investments in that market. I think we will also, balance that with investments that are a little bit earlier in terms of the ability to add value to our customers and to HPE's products. And I think really, what you hear this week from a data perspective and data to AI, will continue to be very active in that area and trying to help our customers increase their chances of getting those prototypes all the way to deployable AI ML models.
Well, Paul, I really look forward to hearing about those next investments and next stages. And thank you for joining me today. And what a great place to leave it as we now go over to Kurt Bresniker's keynote, which is all about unlocking the power of data. Thank you so much for being here with me today.